So this is the coffee Darren got me from Starbucks, the organic Yukon coffee. So I'm doing it in the double boiler here. So basically the coffee is down, and when the water boils, it'll all come on top here. So I guess this is called a double boiler. I've used it for many years, but yeah, let's see how the coffee is. Coffee was great. I'm still enjoying it actually. So thanks Darren for this, and let's get started on the day. Let's go. Okay guys, so just a couple of clarifications. I think those who were my subscribers from the start, they know very well that I only have 2 parking spots in this building. So the question of a third car does not arrive. It was just 2 days we got that C-Class for service for this GLE. And the C-Class, honestly guys, it's just too tiny. You know, I'm just gonna be honest, the engine noise was too much. The car was like so tiny. I honestly feel a Mini Cooper is bigger than the C-Class. What do you say, Darren?
Yeah, it was really small.
Yeah, it was small. So Darren and I are both 6 foot tall, so, and we have shoe size 13. So I think a C-Class is okay for those petite guys, you know, 5'8", 5'7" in height. But that being said, when we go to the new house, we can park up to 3 to 5 cars, even no issues. So, you know, Darren is going to be driving to college, his college. Sorry, we're keeping eyes on the road. But we're going for his vaccine actually, which I'll talk about. So, you know, basically Darren will have to drive. How far is this college, Darren?
30 minutes from here.
21 miles?
Yeah.
So yeah, 21 miles is what he will have to drive each way. And that's about 42 miles whenever the college starts to be in person lectures. As of now, it's online, right? Yeah. So yeah, we are going to basically look at the option of a third car, which Darren will pay for. Darren, you have to pay for your own car. What do you know?
I know.
As it is paying a lot for the insurance for you because you're young. Anyways, he drives very well, so I'm happy. So we're just heading to get his vaccination done. Today is Friday, and anyone above 16 in the US is eligible now. So we're just going. We registered. We got the appointment for 10 in the morning. So today is Friday. Ivanka's in school and Karishma's busy with some meetings. So I decided to come with Darren, because if you're below 18, they say you should always be accompanied by an adult. So that's why I'm also going. Otherwise, Darren could have gone on his own. He has his license and insurance card. That's all you need to get the vaccine. So it's a little gloomy day. I don't know why, guys, but I'm wearing a lot of pink these days. I don't know, when summer and spring happen, I feel like wearing pink. Darren only likes to wear black, right? So far he's wearing black, so we'll see. Okay, see you on the road. Yeah, so we are here. There's quite a big line of, I think today all the youngsters, teenagers have come for the vaccine. So it's a Friday. 2 people may have taken off from work. This whole street is parking here, and the vaccine place is like half a mile maybe that way. So Darren is gone alone. Obviously he's 17. He doesn't need me to go with him. And I'm waiting in the car because in case there's some issue with the parking here, I'll have to move. So it's going to be a half an hour wait, but as long as he gets his vaccine, that's all that matters. We'll come back to you as he's back in the car. Thank you. Okay guys, all went well. Darren is vaccinated. His second dose will be 7th of next month, I guess, 7th of May. And yeah, all good. The whole family is vaccinated. Obviously, Ivanka's too young, so when that happens, we'll know maybe next year, I think. But hopefully, our young kids have the immunity to fight this horrible, dreaded virus that has ruined the whole world for the past 1.5 years. Anyways, on my way, I just dropped Darren off, and on my way to do some more work and errands. So life is busy even on a Friday in our neck of the woods. Thanks for joining so far. If you've reached this video to this part, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and have a lovely weekend, guys. And let's hope Mumbai Indians win tomorrow. Okay, IPL tomorrow morning. Let's hope Mumbai Indians win tomorrow. I'll be waking up to watch the game.